Here are 3 great gathering houses in Ireland. So the Irish Independence Fab 50 for 2026 is out, and we wanted to share with you just 3 examples of houses that are brilliant for getting groups together.
So one great example of that is Drift Farmhouse in Monaghan. Beautiful old farmhouse in the hills. It's been in the family 160 years, but they've just done an incredible job. So many luxurious little touches. I don't know if it just excites me, but there's an invisible extractor fan next to the hob in the kitchen.
It's just
I think it is really exciting. Beautiful bathtub as well.
I like to look at the pool there though.
The pool is great. So it's called an endless pool. So there's a current that you can swim against, or you can walk against. There's a treadmill at the bottom. There's a sauna right by it. There's a yoga room upstairs. It's an incredible property. So it sleeps 10 for a big event, big birthday. I think it would be incredible.
So next up, Drumgarriff Rainforest in West Cork. It's near Glengariff. Yes, it is a rainforest, temperate oak woods, and scattered around it are 5 rentals. So 3 of them sleep up to 6, and then towards the bay, this is Bantry Bay, where there is incidentally a beautiful barrel sauna, you have 2 larger houses that can sleep up to 20 people. And now they're owned by Brian and Tara Meehan, who own the Park Hotel Kenmare nearby, and they've done this meticulous restoration. It feels like it's sort of this peaceful Japanese almost interiors with a lovely oak wood communal area, beautiful art, modernist style to the kitchens. If you want to splash and you have a group of up to 20, these houses are just peachy.
Yeah, they look amazing. There's another as well, Ballyerston House in Donegal, that's been in the family for years and years, right on the sea. Again, for a celebration, it sleeps up to 10. You've got the sea right there. There's an outdoor fire pit, big fireplace in the living room kitchen, but there's loads of space for everyone to be. So you're not going to be on top of each other, but just an incredible setting. The views are amazing.
That's it. It was in Clifton as part of our travels for the Fab 50, and I met the couple who run Sunnybank House there.
Oh, yeah.
They had a phrase for these stays. They call them investment stays. So it's like, yes, you're pushing the boat out a little bit, but you know everything's right, you know everybody has their own space, and you know for your important birthday or getting the grandkids and the grandparents and parents together, that it's going to be just right.
Yeah.
I thought it was a perfect phrase for it.
Yeah, that's exactly what you're looking for.
And you can read about these and loads of other great stays in the Irish Independence Fab 50.